Hi, everybody. I wanted to come to you and bring you a couple of things, some friend mail that I got. I can't wait to show you because I want to open it. So I'm recording this and then I'll be on my way to the hospital to see my sister. That's a whole nother story. Yeah. So I'm doing this real quick. So Mama C, she used to be known as Mama C, Michelle, she is now known as the Naughty Accountant on Facebook and YouTube. So she has an Etsy shop and she has a Tidu shop. And she is selling these bags and she mailed me one. Hold on. She gave me one. I wanted to pay for it. No. Look how adorable this is. She made this crochet bag and it is so stinking cute. Look at the little handles. You fill it up with Hershey's and Reese's and Twix and whatever. Um, just enough room for all the candy for, your mom, your parents. Anyway, if you want to get one of these, and she has other designs too. So I'm going to put a link down in the description for her shop. Take a look at her shop. Support her shop, guys. She's been a supporter of my channel for many, many years, and I love her to death. So these are so cute. Oh my God. I think my sister's going to sit out on the porch. She ordered this wig and she's going to sit out on the porch with this and give out candy. So too cute. Okay. This was gifted to me by another subscriber, and you guys are so kind. Oh my God. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So I was hanging out. I love to hang out with Leopard Leather Works and watch Tim turn pins. It's just become my thing. It's very relaxing to me. I'm becoming friends with the people in there. Carrie, Tim, Tracy, Tammy. Tammy's not there anymore, but she's still in the community. She has her own channel, Tammy Short. Check that out. So this person said, hey, I just purchased a bunch of blanks. I want to give you one. So she did. It was beautiful. And so Tim turned the pin on Sunday during his one of his premieres. He does premieres on the weekends. At night he does lives, but during the day he does some premieres where he's turning pins. He's like a machine with this pen turning. Anyway, he turned it on Sunday. Here it is today because they're right over in Oklahoma. They're within driving distance, to be honest with you. Like 3 hours. So if I can get this package open, I'm going to show you what this looks like. So he has all these really cool turning styles. And he names them. So this one has baseball bat ends, and it's the turn is called I Dream of Jeannie 2.0. He's got a 1.0. This one's the 2.0. So, and of course, you guys know it's pink. Here we go. I cannot wait. Okay. Oh, look at this. This is my absolute favorite. Werther's Caramel Chews. The last time I got a pin from them, I tried them and I've been hooked ever since. Look, I haven't seen it yet. Have not seen it yet. Oh dear. I just saw it. Through the bubble wrap. What does it really look like though? Oh my goodness. All right, can we pull it out? There we go. This is packaged really, really well. Oh my gosh. Can't wait. Hold on. Oh my God, you guys, look at this. I love it. Look at that. It's got this big chunky glitter. It's got the fine glitter and big chunky glitter. Is that not gorgeous? All right, here's what we're going to do. We're going to put some ends in it. Ooh, 10 placer and a 4 placer. Oh my God. All right, Leopard Leather Works, you guys. So let me tell you why let me just explain to you. This is what they call the baseball bat ends. It's not rounded. It's like the end of a baseball bat, both these ends. I don't know if you can see the ends. They're like baseball bat ends. So you put pressure on the baseball bat instead of the pen, you know, the end instead of the pen. Now the I Dream of Jeannie comes in that, I don't know which way, maybe this way. Yeah, this way. If you've ever seen a genie lamp, it has like the different shapes as it goes up. Use your imagination, put one hand over one eye, turn your head, look cross-sided. Now you'll see it. It's an I Dream of Jeannie lamp. A genie will come up out of this lamp if I rub it, and he'll give me 3 wishes. It's beautiful. So thank you. Oh my God. Thank you. So appreciative. So excited to use this pen. Add it to my collection. This is the Crafting and Crime pen that Tim turned for me. Same thing, but it has the baseball bat ends, but it's not an I Dream of Jeannie. I don't know, so you can compare. This one's a much thinner pen, but this one has drops of red to make it look like blood, and then these little knives in it. I don't know if you could see the knives. They're there. Little like confetti knives. It's great for crafting and crime daily. Let me show you this one up close again. It's so pretty. Okay, guys, I got to get going. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take care, everybody. Bye.